Walt Disney's foresight was very simple. He wrote very simple: family friendly visual fantasy world. Four words: family friendly visual fantasy world has vast appeal and will continue to have vast appeal forever. It cannot be non-visual and only in words. It has to be visual fantasy world, and it will be age agnostic. Very clear he was in his writing. You can create that for any age group, and everybody will like it. So, family-friendly visual fantasy world has vast appeal. That was the foresight. Of course, it was a detailed thing written over there. I'm just summarizing it for you. Second, Disney's key insight. Insight means what is a rare, distinctive, and valuable assets. Disney's key insight was recognizing the value of companies, Disney organizations' early lead and substantial investments in animation and its capacity to create timeless, unique characters that, unlike really actors, require no agents. They won't get old. These characters will live forever. This was the key insight told by Mr. Walt to the company in his theory. He said, characters कभी नहीं छोड़ना. Characters का appeal forever रहने वाला है अगले 1,000 years तक. People will always love fantasy characters. And our ability to create these characters is amazing. So if you have to invest in anything, do it on the characters. Invest in all the assets that will have characters. It was deep understanding of organizations' existing assets and activities. Deep understanding. And it was clear these are rare, these are distinct, these are valuable. Disney's theory also suggested broad array of entertainment assets that you can draw value from. It suggested how these assets, when combined with complementary assets around, can create further value. He was very clear in his foresight, insight, and cross sight.